Hi student, in previous lecture we discussed the class. Class, it is nothing but a way of bind data and function together. In previous lecture we discussed the syntax of the class declaration in C++. For example, in today's lecture we discuss how we can be used or declared the class in a program by using a suitable example. For example, class student. Here class is a keyword and student is a name of a class. Name of a class is any valid variable name. In these the curly brackets we declared the data member of the class as well as member function of a class. Private, here we give the colon. In this the private section, the int roll number, comma, per. Per, it is nothing but the percentage. For the percentage I use the per variable. All these the variable and the function name must be obeys the variable declaration rules. It may be, but that variable name must obey the variable declaration rules. In a private section, I declare the roll number and per. Next, in a public section, I declare void input. Here is the opening closing bracket. It tells that input is a name of a function. Void display is another function which is used in the program. After that, the curly bracket completed and semicolon is given. It tells that here is a declaration of a class is finished. If the variable as well as a function which is declared in a private section, it is used within that the class only or within that the class declaration. But the variable and the function, those declared in a public section, we can be used outside a class also. In this the example, roll number and per, that is a percentage, that is two data members. Data members, it is nothing but the variables also. Next, this roll number and percentage can be used within that the class only. Outside a class we can't use the roll number and per, that is a percentage variable. This variable give the hidden facility, which is the main concept of the OOP. That is concept related to the OOP. We discussed that data hiding, when the variables as well as a function declared in a private section, it can be hide from the external use or it can be hide outside the class or outside the data member as well as the member function of the class. So the variables as well as a function which we want to hide, it must be declared in a private section. Here private is also keyword, so we can be write in a small case. Next one is a public section. The variables as well as a function which we want to use outside the class, that variable and function must be declared in a public section. In this the example, I can be use roll number and per, that is the two data members or the variables which is declared in a private section, and input and display, this function can be declared in a public section. If when user cannot be write any visibility mode, that is a private as well as a public, automatically computer can be considered as all these the data member as well as this the member function is a public private. This data member and member function is a private data members. Okay. Next, here I can be also write the variables as well as a function in a private section. In same way that I can be also declare these another variables as well as a function in a public section. Here void is a data type. we discussed that this this data type in a basic data type in a C++. void is a data type, input is the name of a function, and another is void data type, display is the name of a function. These two functions I can be declared in this the class. Okay, that is the declaration of the class. Next, another point is how we can be declared the functions in a class. That is a class function definition. This function, that is a input, display, it may be another name of the functions also used or needed in a program. We can be declared anywhere the section in the program. But here another point is how we can be declared or define, implement this the function in a class. There is two methods. The point name is class function definition. Definition means the implementation also as well as the declaration also. The class function definition is used in a program two ways. First one is inside a class function definition and another is method is outside class function definition. First we discuss the first point is inside class definition of a member function. The definition of this declaration of the function is when we can be use or declared function in a class as well as use within that the class inside a class. That function definition is called as a inside class function definition. Got it? That is the function which is declared inside a class as well as used inside a class. That method is called as a inside class function definition. For example, class student, here private, roll number, percentage, public, void input, void display. That is a declaration. In inside class definition, here we can be also use that the functions. That is, first we discuss about the input function, void input. We input roll number and percentage. So, content of that the function, that is a cout, enter roll number and percentage, PER. Next we use cin, roll number and PER. Okay. Next, same way that we can be use the another function, that is a display function. If our program contain only one function, for example, in this the example I use only input function, then in a public section void input I can be declare. Then also I can be use that the function within that the class. So I can be write cout, enter roll number and PER. Input function is used for inputting values of that the variable. So I can be write the message cout, enter roll number and percentage, PER. Then we input the values, so I can be use cin, predefined function, roll number and PER. That is a implementation or definition of input function. After that, here I complete the declaration as well as implementation or definition of the function. So I can be write after that the curly bracket and I can be give the semicolon. It tells that the here is a ending of function. Inside a class function, here is the ending of declaration as well as implementation of that the function. That is a method of the inside a class function definition. If we can be use another function, then we can be remove that the curly bracket and write. Here I can be write VOID, display. Declaration and use of that Cout, roll number and PER is double quotation complete semi-comma Cout, roll number and PER. Here is the outputting of that the function or the content of the display function is finish. After that, here the opening curly bracket can be closed here and I can be give the semi-comma. It tells that here is a declaration of the function is finished. That method is called as a inside class function definition. That is the function those we can be declare, it can be used within that the class only. That method is called as a inside class function definition. In a board exam, 3 marks question can be asked. Explain class function definition, that is inside class function definition. Any one method. Or also ask in a question number 2A, explain inside class function definition in C++. Then we can be write definition of inside class function definition. After that, declaration as well as implementation of the function. That is the second part of a class. First is the class declaration and second is the class function definition. Third part of the class content is the object declaration and fourth part of the class declaration is object function accessing. In this point, we can be clear the 2 points of the class, that is the class declaration and class function definition. Okay.